He's not your typical dad.
Cash, Daddy, cash.
It's just, I had a lot of issues growing up.
Who had childhood issues? Excuse me, but are you my mother? Okay, thanks anyway. Are you my mother? Are you my mother?
Look, my father Trigon is...
Devourer of a million souls? Conqueror of countless worlds?
Trigon is one of the most powerful beings in the entire universe. He is your father?
Yep, my dad is literally a demon who feeds off the suffering of others. Especially me.
Behold Caratuk, master of the dark, destroyer of dimensions, enslaver of civilizations.